Your throughput has scaled every year for the last 2. Your sort line hasn't. You've added FTEs. The backlog still builds. Missed sorts still leak through. The sort isn't broken. It's outgrown your operation. A modular and scalable platform built to replace manual inefficiencies. Tailor itself to every customer's requirement. Offered in vertical and horizontal formats, designed to match your operational needs and fit seamlessly into your warehouse. At its core, ASTRO is modular, built like Lego for warehouses. Flexible and easy to scale. An original concept designed and pioneered by NITO, patented technology, proven in live operations and trusted to deliver consistent, reliable performance. The future of sortation is here. Let ASTRO power your warehouse. Connect with NITO